the appointment. Yes, Your Excellency, and thank you for all the...
I go home, but I work with...
He is now back to Uganda after working for so many retirement. And I came with him.
So it's a lifelong service?
Banzala Mitala Maria.
Mitala Maria, okay.
Yes.
Ooh.
Thank you very much. I'm delighted to be. As you know, I'm my niece, huh? Because I'm your big sister. I was very, very happy to be there. And okay. Thank you so much for seeing me.
So how are you?
I am, it's been busy. We haven't counted on a war, so. Well, thank you so much for your long friendship and for continuing. He expresses his concern about the situation in Ukraine. He's very disturbed about that situation and that the international community cannot ignore the ongoing devastation and the suffering of Ukraine or the global food security crisis exacerbated by the invasion, and you will see that in the letter.
Cassava, millet, sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, those, although we had a bit of drought, but they are still in plenty. But the problem is the transport now, because of the fuel. When the fuel cost went up, even our own food here, locally produced, is expensive because of the transport. So I don't know how you can separate us from your sanctions.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.